G'day you all. What we've got now is just a quick video. I've got a number of requests on how to actually place the chin strap back together again. Because what tends to happen is you pull it apart to clean it, condition it, then you go to place it back on again and you're like, oh, how does that go? So it's quite simple, so we'll just step through it. So what you would remember is the shiny part of the leather, the smooth part of the leather, is always on the outside. Okay, so that's facing the outside away from your head. And the two parts that you really need to take care to remember is the short strap here with the press stud on it, and it has its own buckle. Okay, and then also, of course, is the chin strap buckle itself. Okay. So that needs to be facing to the outside, and then when you place the belt, the chin strap back together, that smooth leather side needs to be facing on the outside to match this one here. And they essentially are to be a mirror image of each other. So on the other side, if I turn it over, we have the rough side of the leather here on our short strap, but we have the smooth part here, but we also have a press stud. So that press stud there is the start of your chin strap, the long piece. Okay, so just bear that in mind. So that it's together at the moment. So what I'll do is I'll just quickly pull it apart. All right, so that you may end up with two pieces when you pull it apart. So we have our short part. Okay, remember the leather smooth side is facing to the outside, and when you place it together, just do it so it's facing up, so you can remember it. You then get your long part of the chin strap with the press stud here, and make sure that's facing downwards, and you'll have the smooth side facing initially downwards. Okay, but as you thread it through this buckle here, the smooth side is going to be facing out as well. Alright, so then once you've got the buckle up, you then grab the long piece, place it in through the buckle like so, then up and through. Okay, then you give yourself just a bit of a loop so it's much easier to pull through. Pull through like that. And what you will find, if it's a relatively old chin strap like this one certainly is, you'll have that indentation there where the buckle sits, so that's a good guide to where you should place it before you can adjust it and place it onto your hat. Righto? So there we go, that's how you place together your chin strap. Remember the short side here always tells you which way that your long strap needs to sit. Okay, so the smooth side's always up, the smooth side's always up, and you just place it in and feed it through until you get the result you want. Well, hopefully that's helpful, hopefully that clears things up, and always here to help.